Andrea, editor with Beaut.ie, and I'm here today in Benefit's amazing store on South William Street in Dublin with the wonderful Jared Bailey, international spokesperson on brows and services.
That rumor is true.
So the day is finally here, Jared. We can talk about the new brow collection. We've been waiting for ages to talk about this. Can you tell me a little about your favorite products from the collection?
So I think we're gonna start with Gimme Brow. Gimme Brow is like the little black dress of brow products. Honestly, it is a product that is perfect for any situation because it volumizes, it tints, it tames. It is a volumizing fiber gel. And now, we've had this before, and you're thinking, I know Gimme Brow, it's not new, but what we've done is we created a brand new shade because it wasn't necessarily universal for everybody. We had a light and a deep. Now we created this new neutral warm shade that falls right in the middle of those that is literally ideal and perfect for anybody with red hair or maybe a brunette or fell between that light and medium. It's incredible. Then we have Goof Proof. Literally, that is the name of the product.
It is a great name.
Right?
That's what I want to hear, Goof Proof.
We had to call it Goof Proof because that's exactly what it is. And then what's nice about it is that it actually, the tip of the applicator is actually like a teardrop tip. And I tell people, like, we modeled it after Tears of Joy. So no, nothing's sad there because it has a wide base at the bottom and we use that to actually shape and fill the brow. And then it has a very narrow tip at the top, which we use for extra definition. And then we even went a step further. We made it easier because on the back side of the pencil, we've attached a spoolie tool to blend and create that nice, like, natural wash of color across the brow. You literally cannot mess it up.
That's exactly what I want to hear. When it's morning time, you have 10 minutes to get ready.
That's exactly
Goof
what you
Proof.
need. Okay, but I have to tell you about another one. There's two more that I really want to tell you about.
Okay.
I want to go with Browvo. Browvo Conditioning Primer. So you heard two words there, right? Conditioning and a primer. So I'm going to talk about the primer first. If you have trouble with makeup that smudges or kind of moves, or if you're afraid your makeup's going to smudge and move, it's always best to prime. There's really not a ton of brow primers out there, and the ones that are really sticky, they're tacky, or they're really waxy. Browvo's formula is incredible, and what it does, you literally take one click, swipe it over the brow, and let it dry, and it will lock on your brow makeup all day long. I'm not kidding. So you don't have to worry. It's like totally smudge proof, but are you ready for like the real beauty bonus?
Yes, please.
Because I said conditioning. So what's inside is soy and keratin proteins that actually make hairs thicker, healthier, and fuller looking. It's incredible. So, and this is the other thing. You can wear it before you go to bed and you can wake up with fuller, thicker, healthier looking brows. Just like that. It's like magic.
It's like beauty sleep.
Yes, we
Free
redefined it. Yeah, we redefined beauty rest for sure. And then I have to tell you about the last one. This is a great product. It's called Ka-Brow. And what it is, it's a cream gel brow color. And it sounds really complicated to use because you're like a cream gel brow color, but we made it really easy because we built the brush right into the cap. So literally the brush just pops out of the cap, you snap it back in, you get a fully extended hard angle brush, and the density of the bristles, you just tap it into the pomade and it picks up the perfect amount of product to apply. So you don't have to worry about overdoing it or overusing it. And you ready for the best part about this? It lasts for 24 hours. So just think, it's date night, your date goes really well, you're all set. All set.
What I love about those is they sound kind of foolproof, which is great. And I love the fun names and everything. As usual, we expect from you guys the ease of use and the fact that it actually really works as well.
Yeah.
When can we get our hands on these to play with them?
The 24th of June, that is when the brow game is changing forever.
Brow game is changing. I love it.
Yep.
Thank you so much for coming to talk to me today,
Oh,
Jared.
thank you.